Hi, how are you? Uh, this is crankluga. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I have 1,431 subscribers. Please subscribe if these videos make sense for you. All right, so I'll go ahead and we start our creation of the day. And this is what we're going to create. I want to create a file management system in Laravel. So, but the example I'm going to be using, a stock image website, for example, just like Unsplash. Okay. I haven't created it yet, so I want to give you an example where you can come and search an image. Okay. Where you can come and search an image and you say, for example, my country is Uganda, and then you press, and then you'll find everything that comes from Uganda. I'll create one side of the admin where you are able to delete, and on the other side where you're able to download or purchase, and also create thumbnails. So without further ado, I'm going to be creating this whole project in Laravel. So here is the Laravel website, or you can go to your Google search and then you type that you want to do a Laravel. And then you press enter and it will bring for you. And then you press from laravel.com, and then of course we're going to set up our Laravel. So the first thing I'll do, I want to get to the documentation, and then I'll choose Laravel 10. I'm not so conversant with Laravel 11, so we'll be installing Laravel 10.x. However, still, I want to make sure that this project is barely PHP, because some of you may not be well versed with JavaScript frameworks. For example, I would have been using Vue.js and Inertia with Laravel, but I want it to be entirely PHP. And one of the basis for this, I had a project and I discovered that actually YouTube didn't have much with these Laravel projects. So I'm going to be creating one for you. And with file management. So I want us to be able to upload, delete, edit, replace, okay, a file in the system, and even tag a file or even bookmark a file. So we shall be seeing all of that. So today I'm going to take you in a brief on how to set up our Laravel project, so that if you're beginning Laravel from scratch, you don't find it hard for you.